Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to MVC tutorial channel. This is part 12 of student management system playlist using SP.MVC with Angularjs. Before we start this video, please watch previous videos of this series. In the last part of this playlist, I have shown cascading drop down list, and in this part I'm gonna show you guys when I click save button, then data will save in the TBL course table. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first of all I'm going to Visual Studio and stop the debugging. Okay, and I'm going to course entry page. Okay, when I click this button, data will save successfully. Okay, now I'm going to create a controller for save data. Okay, so from the section controller, I'm going to this method, I'm going to copy save info, and I'm going to reuse this code in the course entry. So just copy from section control and paste it here. Okay, and we need to call this add new info dal in the course dal. So I'm going to copy this add new info dal. Okay, just copy it and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now we need to change this DAO name course DAO. Okay, and we need here course name, batch ID, section ID. Okay, so we need here course name, paste it here, course name, batch ID, and here is section ID also. Okay, and we need to create store procedure for course entry. So I'm going to SQL Server and we need to modify this section insert store procedure. Just write here create and name will be course. Okay, and we need to add here 4 parameters. Okay, so sorry, 3 parameters for course name. Okay, use comma and paste it here, and section ID use add. Okay, and we need just copy this table name and paste it here, and we need here course name, batch ID, then section ID. Okay, and just copy this name and paste it in the value section. Okay, and use add and add. Okay, and execute this store procedure. Okay, we have successfully created our insert course store procedure. Just copy this store procedure name and paste it here. Okay, now we need to change this here course down. Okay, now we need to call this save info in the course controller JS. So we need to paste it here. Okay, so we need to create this save data function for save data. Okay, so I'm going to section controller JS and just copy this save data function. Okay, and paste it here, and now I'm going to just remove update info. So just remove from here, and we need to change this controller name. Okay, we need to call this controller name and paste it here, and we need to use this method. Okay, save info and paste it here, and we need to call this course DAO. Okay, paste it here, also for here. When I save data, btn text name will be changed. It will be show save, and text value and drop down list value will be changed. It will be null. Okay, and this course ID we need to call in the course entry page. Okay, so we need to call here course DAO dot batch ID here also. Okay, and we need to call it here and also for here. Okay, and just run this project. Okay, you can see here batch 1. Okay, and stop the debugging, delete all breakpoints. Okay, and click continue. Okay, section name has been loaded, and select it, and we need to change here the section name. We need to write course name. So I'm going to Visual Studio, and here I'm going to use course name. Okay, and reload this page. Okay, and select batch 1, section name section 1, and course name course 1. Okay, and click save button. Okay, operation successfully done. If I go to SQL Server and edit all rows in the course table, okay, and execute this table, you can see here data has been loaded here successfully. Okay, and if I click batch 1, section 1, and course name 2, and click save button, operation successfully done. Okay, and go to SQL Server, you can see here data has been inserted successfully. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to load data in the list view. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to Visual Studio and stop the debugging. I'm going to course controller and course list view. Okay, go to view. Here I'm going to load course list view this data. Okay, from the list view, okay, I'm going to solution explorer. In the batch, in the section list view, I'm gonna copy all the text from section list page and paste it here. Okay, and I'm going to remove this script and I'm going to add here this course controller JS. Okay, and click save it. And we need here course name. Just copy this line, course name. We need course name, batch name and section name. Okay, just copy and paste it here. And we need course name. Okay, and we need to link up this with course entry page. Okay, just copy this page name and paste it here. We need to change this controller name, so this is our course controller. Just copy and paste it here. Okay, and we need, this is course page. Okay, course list, and we need to here course entry. Okay, okay, and we also need to add this list view in the layout page. So I'm going to shared, in the share folder I'm going to layout page. In this layout page I'm going to add course name link. So just copy this URL and we need to change this controller name. So this is our controller name, paste it here, and we need to this course list view page. Okay, and change the name course. Okay, now we need to load in the course list view data. So I'm going to this controller and we need to copy this load data, and I'm going to paste it this course controller CS. Just paste it here. Okay, now we need to change the section DAO. We need to use course DAO. Okay, and here also, and we need to add it also here, and we need to course ID and paste it here, and we need to call serial number. So I'm going to this course DAO, and here I'm going to just copy this string course name, and we need to call this serial name and paste it here. Okay, and okay, and we also need section name and batch name. So So just copy the section name, okay, section name, and paste it here. We also need batch name, and it also paste it here, okay. And we need here, just copy this section name, we need here course name, okay. Just copy and paste it here, okay. Now we need to create this load all data dal method. So I'm going to copy from the section dal, just copy, and we need to paste it our course dal, okay, and paste it here, okay. And we need to create the store procedure. So I'm going to just copy and modify this store procedure and create new store procedure for load course list. So I'm going to SQL Server and programmability store procedure, okay, this one, just modify it, and we need to change the alter, need to create, okay. And we need to change the store procedure name as a course, okay. And we need to use this tbl course and paste it here, okay. And okay, course id, and we need to copy this to left join this section table, okay. Section, we need to join section id, and here also section id, okay. And we need to call here course, okay, this course id, paste it here, okay. And we need to call batch, okay, it's already called. And we need to section name, okay. And we need to call course name and use comma and create this store procedure. I'm going to execute here, okay. We have successfully created our store procedure, and copy this store procedure name and paste it here, okay. Okay, now we need to call this store procedure, sorry, now we need to call this JSON method in the course controller JS. So I'm going to course controller JS in this script, Angular controller, in this Angular controller course controller JS. From the section controller JS, I'm going to copy load function. So I'm going to this section controller JS, okay. And we need this function, just copy and paste it here, okay. And we need to change the controller name, this is our controller name. So just copy this controller name and paste it here, and we need method name. So just go to controller.js, and this is our JSON method name. Just copy and paste it here. Okay, and we need to call this as a course. Okay, so just save it, and I'm going to course controller. In this course controller, I'm going to course list view. Go to view. Okay, and we need here we need to call nj controller as a this controller name, and paste it here. Okay, and also we need to change this section name. The section name will be this scope section. Okay, just copy and paste it here. Okay, sorry, we need not section, it must be, sorry, this is not this one. Okay, just copy this course and paste it here. Okay, we got. Okay, now run this project. Okay, you can see here data has shown here. Okay, and I go, if I go to add new info and insert our data as to section name, no section has declared here. Okay, batch 1, section 1, course name 3, and save it. Okay, operation successfully done. If I go to list view, you can see here data has shown here. Okay, now I am gonna show you guys, when I click the delete button, data will be deleted successfully from the TBL codes. So let's start this. Okay, first of all, I am going to Visual Studio and stop the debugging, and in this course controller I'm going to create a new method for delete data. So from the section controller I'm going to copy this JSON method and paste it here. Okay, and we need to change this. We need here this course ID. Okay, just paste it here and also here. Okay, and this course ID we need to call it here. Okay, and also paste it here, and we need to create this delete info dal. So from the section controller, and I'm going to this delete info dal, just copy this method name and I'm going to paste it course dal and paste it here. Okay, and we need to change this parameter name. It will be course id. So just copy this course id and paste it here also, and we need to paste it here. Okay, and also for parameter. Okay, I'm just copy this store procedure and modify for course delete data. So just copy this, and I'm going to modify this one delete section by master id. Just modify it, and I'm going to change the name course, and here we need to change create, and we need to call this course id, this one, and paste it here. Okay, and also here, and we need to change the table name. We need to use this tbl course and this master id course id. Okay, paste it here and execute this stored procedure. Okay, operation successfully done. Stored procedure has been created successfully. Just copy this stored procedure and paste it here. Okay, and this remove data by master id, we need to call it in the course controller js. Okay, I'm going to copy from the section controller js function for delete master data. Okay, just copy this function name and use it course controller js. Just paste it here. Okay, and we need to change the controller name. We need to use this course controller. Just copy this controller name and paste it here, and we need to change this method name. So just copy this method name and paste it here, and we need to change this section id. We need to use this course id. Okay, just copy and paste it here, and also here. Okay, and also for here. Okay, and we need to change this when data will be deleted successfully. Then we need to load this table info, course table info. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, and I'm going to run this project. Okay, and go to course name and click delete button. Operation deleted. Okay, and okay, you can see here deleted data has been cleaned from here. Okay, if I go to SQL Server and tbl codes, if I click edit all rows, you can see here one data has been deleted from tbl codes. Okay, in the next part of this series I'm going to show you guys tbl codes edit. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next part of the series. Have a great day.